Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com. Welcome to my Polaris review. This launches on October the 20th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. I'm here inside the members area and I'm going to give you a run through and show you what's inside here in a few minutes. But just let's summarize, what is Polaris all about? Well, Polaris is going to give you 20 complete done-for-you funnels in top Clickbank niches with the highest gravity, and you can build unlimited campaigns with these 20 funnels and get access to all the marketing resources inside Polaris. And these consist of email sequences for mailing subscribers and high quality banners for each funnel, and this works for both Google and Facebook ads and also social media marketing. And we're also providing traffic training to help you get started. So if this is something that's going to really interest you and it's going to really show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing, then if you stick with me to the end of this video, I've got together some quality custom bonuses I'm going to give away to you free of charge today if you purchase Polaris through my link, which is the first link in the description below this YouTube video. That brings you to my bonus page here, and then you can scroll down and click on any of the big blue buttons on this page, and then that will take to the sales page. Then click on the blue button on the sales page and you can purchase Polaris, as I say, through my link. You're going to get these quality bonuses. The only thing you must do, get yourself back to my bonus page before the countdown timer reaches 0, because once that happens all my bonuses will expire, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on because they are quality bonuses. They've been given to me, they've been made by John Armstrong, who's given me these bonuses as I'm working with him. He's let me have these bonuses to give away with his product Polaris, which is his new launch, as I say, October the 20th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. You can get your hands on this product, and if you buy the front end only for only $17, you're going to get these quality bonuses all prepared and given to you today free of charge. So bonus number 1 is you can access to Jono's done for you campaigns for 365 days. So that's a whole year of campaigns which are going to link nicely with your Polaris purchase. So that's a valuable bonus there, an excellent one. Bonus number 2, you're going to get 30 high quality bonuses to give away with your sales of your affiliate products within Polaris. You'll be able to add these bonuses to really incentivize your customers to purchase from you. So that's another valuable one that sits well with Polaris. Bonus number 3 is a Launch Jacker course. It's Jono's Launch Jacker course. Launch jacking is how Jono's built his successful business, and he's going to show you how to do that within this course. So you're able to get the power of gurus launches, which are warming up the traffic for you, and you're able to then use that traffic to obviously get your own links in front of it to enable you to make affiliate commissions. And John will show you exactly how to do that within that bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is Vanquish. So it's 4 times license rights from Vanquish. These are license rights from not only Vanquish but 3 other products of Jono's, recent products. So they're only fresh this year. So they're real quality products, and you know, they're a valuable bonus, and you're going to get that bonus again free of charge. Bonus number 5 then is all the vendor bonuses. So whatever bonuses that Jono's put with Polaris inside your purchase, you're not going to miss out on those by buying through my link, as I say, which is the first link below this YouTube video. Once you do buy, you click on the blue buttons, you go to the sales page and buy, as I've just shown you. You're going to go to your receipt page. If you click on the blue button on your receipt page, all these bonuses will be instantly delivered to you just by buying, as I said, the front end only of Polaris for $17. So I'm going to have a look at the sales page with you now. So Polaris, attention marketers overpaying for funnel software and traffic. The world's best auto funnel software for unlimited commissions and leads from free viral traffic. So it's making us 1,200 plus per day, and now it's your turn. So this is the sales page. Have a look at this in your own time. I'm not going to spend too long on it with you now. It's got lots of income proof, shows you exactly what's involved here. And this is Jono. And so after discovering the power of automated funnels, Jono's made 3 times more money this year than he did in all of 2019, while only working half as much. So Polaris lets you leverage the high profit funnel marketing with none of the usual costs or complications. Complete beginners are already making 4-figure daily profits, and you're about to see how. So there's proof of earnings, proof of income there, and then they're going to scroll down, have a look at all the bonuses that you're going to get with the product. There's lots of information on the sales page. It's a very informative one. I won't spend too long on it now, so if you take your time, have a look at it in your own time, and then look by all means at what other affiliates are offering you with your purchase today. But they won't be as good as what you're going to get with me here today. As long as you make sure you come back before this countdown timer reaches 0, and then obviously you get these bonuses free of charge. So have a look at the inside the members area analysis, inside the dashboard. So you're going to get training here, a welcome training, and then you've got these different products: affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, dating, self-improvement, health, weight loss and fitness, Clickbank high ticket, and top Clickbank products, all within this this program. So then you've got the Polaris funnels. So these are the funnels that you're going to be able to set up. If affiliate marketing, it's just all done with a click of a button. So you can see, I'll show you now exactly what the funnels look like, and they're very easy. Just click one button, click, and create everything. You preview the squeeze page and the thank you page. So you're going to be able to build your list with all this as well. And then you're going to get the Polaris products. Again, as I say, you've got all these in various different niches. And you've got the marketing resources. You've got email sequences, banners. Then you can collect your subscribers, and you can also link your subscribers to your autoresponders. You've also got your tutorials. So it's very, very easy, step by step to follow. So it's it's something that if you haven't made any money online yet, this product is really going to help you out. Now there are some upsells which you don't have to purchase to get these bonuses that I've just shown you. You say you're going to get all of those just by purchasing the front end for $17. But there are some upsells which you might want to have a look at and certainly consider purchasing, because it's going to be a real good addition to what you're already getting with the front end. So upsell number 1 is Polaris Pro Edition. It's $47 with a downsell of $37. So you're going to get access to additional 40 complete done-for-you funnels in top Clickbank niches, including custom funnels for our hand-picked 17 best converting Clickbank products. So you get the best of best Clickbank niche funnels and product-based funnels in the Pro Edition. You also get access to our Traffic and Sales Academy, which is an advanced Facebook, Google and solo ads traffic training by Rashfin. Upsell number 2, Polaris Done For You campaigns, $97 with a downsell of $67. You get access to high ticket Clickbank product funnels, allowing you to bank high commissions using Polaris. We've carefully picked these products based on your past history and latest conversion rates. You also get regular updates with new high ticket product funnels as and when there's a new offer in Clickbank with high gravity without any additional monthly payments are included. So you also get commercial license rights to Polaris app as well. So bonus number 3 is a high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic for $197 with a downsell of $97. So you get full front end access to all of Jono's 2020 products, the lockdown formula, urgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot and Vanquish, plus front end access to all his future releases and a bump to commissions throughout the funnel and when they promote any of Jono's future products. So this is a monster value that you enjoy instantly and can reap affiliate profits from for years to come. Upsell number 4, reseller bundle license, 197 with a downsell to 97. So you get reseller and development rights to Insurgency, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. So with dual rights, you're essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a thing. So that concludes my review of Polaris, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you can take advantage of buying through my link, the first link below this YouTube video, and get those bonuses all free of charge delivered to you today. So hope you've enjoyed the review, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.